modular ultra-low 5-box freezer racks allow you to customize your freezer storage space. It is easiest to assemble these modular racks directly in the freezer, but before you begin, you will want to identify each of the parts we will be referring to. Make sure your rack frames are facing the right way, and attach the clip to the back of each frame. Rack frames can be assembled from left to right or from right to left. Locate the center tab on either side of the rack frame. The tab on one side is wider than the tab on the other. Our demonstration will be done from left to right, so the wide tabs should be on the right-hand side. For right to left assembly, wider tabs should be on the left-hand side. Clips serve two purposes. If the tab is down, it prevents the rack from sliding forward in the freezer, and with the tab up or down, it acts as a drawer stop. It should be down for any frame that is on the bottom row and sits right on the freezer rack, and up for any frame that will form higher rows. Install the clips as needed based on the frame's location in the freezer. When placing bottom frames in the freezer, this tab should be inserted between the freezer shelf and the back wall of the freezer. To create a horizontal row of racks, position rack frames side by side and lift the wide center tab of one over the narrow center tab of the other to lock together. To build vertically, work on a slight angle and push the bottom of the upper rack frame so that the front and back tab areas press into the front and back tabs of the lower rack frame. This is a friction fit and very secure. Vertical stacks do not have to be built to the same height, giving you the ability to customize to your needs. Once your rack frames are assembled, slide each drawer into place. If desired, optional covers can be placed on the top of each rack frame to provide additional shelf space.